Hi, Crafty friends. Lacey the Cheeky Bomb, and I have a little collective haul for you. I found a few cute things at Walmart, and then I have like one thing from a couple different places. So I thought that I would share with you what I found. First, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I bought two of these. These are only $1. They were in like their Easter book section, and I wanted to see what the puffy stickers were in this place set because they were only $1. So I figured they would be cute, and if I didn't think that I would use them, then I'm going to send them on to a friend. Oh, this is all you get? But you get this little playscape. So, I mean, you could technically turn this into something if you wanted to. Slightly disappointing. The stickers are kind of cute, but I'll probably end up passing this along to a friend. I have a friend in mind that might want those. So next I found these, and I thought they were so cute. They have this new little section in the Post-its. They had these. They had some cherry-shaped ones, which, surprise, surprise, I did not get. Just because I didn't think that I would use them as much. And I think, I don't know, they had like 4 or 5 different little things in this section. And they were, I think these were, do I have my receipt? Oh, I do have my receipt. Wow. Amazing, right? I never have my receipt. These were $1.94, so I didn't think that that was that bad, but how cute are these? I thought that they would be really, they're like perfect. They're for like planners, basically. Like it's like a little planner sticker section, but this one has a little cherry on it. I also thought that I can use these in my junk journaling. I am in my journaling era, so I got those, and I got these little little ones because I just thought they were cute. I really like the colors as well. The coloring is really cute. If I can find pictures of the other things in this collection on the website, I'll put them up in the corner. And sometimes Walmart is weird with things that I know that they have, but I don't know. I don't always love their app. I also got this book. It was in the kids section too, so it was only $1. And I typically won't buy board books, but I really wanted to see if I couldn't turn this into some kind of junk journal because it's a Highland cow, and like, how stinking cute is he? So even if I just like remove these center pages out and used the outside, I think that that could be really cute. I mean, the center ones are kind of cute too. I might be able to, I don't know. Again, it's only $1, so I'm going to play with it, and, you know, if I mess it up, I mess it up. It was only $1, so. Next, I got this at TJ Maxx. It was on sale, and I think it was part of their, like, Valentine's section, but it's creepy cute love stickers. So it's a sticker book, but they're all just kind of creepy, which is definitely my vibe and my style. I've been doing a lot of like journaling and planning and stuff like that, so this was like right up my alley. And they are creepy cute. I will say they are creepy cute instead of like creepy crazy. So I thought that they were cute. It was only $6. They are on the shiny side. I think this could be like a Sphinx. I have a Sphinx, so I thought it was cute. There's all different kinds. Oh no! Some little kid stole a picture or stole a sticker. These are really cute. I really like this. I wish they made more. Like, this is really cute. This is definitely up my alley, so I was happy with that. This one was also Walmart. I ordered this. This wasn't in store. I had to order it online. I think it was either $14.99 or $15.99. I seen Tina order one. I think it was her that ordered one a little while back, and I was like, "Ooh, I want this." Now they have like 3 or 4 different ones. Anywhere else, they're quite pricey, but they were only 16. I don't know, between $14.99 and $16.99 at Walmart. If I can find it, I'll put it up there. But there's 3 or 4 different ones, and I chose the Imaginarium because they're going to be kind of weird, but I am kind of weird person, so I thought that I would like that. And they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna be like weird imaginary, like I think there was like a botanical one. I think they have an insect one that I'm really interested in as well. But again, these are going to be weird, but I like weird. I don't know how to explain it, but there was no pictures either, so I could not see what this one looked like. Maybe I probably, if I would have done a little bit more of a deep dive, but I'm an impulse purchaser, and I was just looking, like doing my Walmart order, and this was suggested to me, and I was like, yeah, why not? Like, I like creepy. I like weird. We're gonna go for it and see what we get. And I figured I could always return this to Walmart if I really just did not like it. But I really like the weirdness of it. It's kind of giving me like Dolly vibes, like what is that one Heath Ledger movie that has like a whole bunch of people, like Heath Ledger and Johnny Depp, like Mr. Parnicerus. I can't even remember, but it's weird and like just I like that. Like, this is a Wicker Man. If you know the legend, you know the legend, but not everybody would know that. So yeah, this one is a weird one. This one is not gonna be for everyone, but there is a few different versions of this, and this is a nice thick book. Like, it says that there's over 1,000 in there, so if you can get it on Walmart, see, oh, so there's like bibliography, this just a regular sticker book. Like, I will definitely order other ones because I really like this, because again, I like the weird and unusual. So I might have to order that the insect one because I think it was cool. I want to say there was like a botany one, which is flowers and stuff like that. Don't quote me, but I think there was. And then I found this one at Five Below, and I was looking for like all the junk journal stuff that they're supposedly have. Mine did not have any, but I found this, and this was coloring stickers, and they're creepy because, you know, I like creepy. So you can color them, and then they're stickers, and I loved that. I do like to color, so I was like, that's kind of cool. I can make them whatever colors I want and use the stickers. So I thought this was really cool. I haven't seen anything like this. Is there some out there? I'm sure there is. Oh, I love the little ghost face. But this is just kind of up my alley. Again, I like coloring, so if I can color and there's stickers, that just makes my junk journaling even more fun, because I probably will have like a weird, like just creepy junk journal eventually. And then I bought these acrylic markers off of TikTok shop, so we will see how they are. I know a lot of people have been getting them. I think Tony got a huge set on Amazon. Those are in my cart, which I probably will. Those ones are kind of pricey, but you get so many. But I thought, you know, these were advertised to me and they get me every time because they're always a really good deal, like super cheap. If I can open it, I think that these were $12.99 and they were 36 colors. So we're gonna try a couple. I have a little notepad here. Let's just try, like, let's go for my favorite color. Do I need to do anything? Is the box gonna tell me if I need to do anything? No. There's a shaker ball in there. I don't know if I have to prep them or anything. These are marker or like brush tip though, which I kind of liked that. Oh, I don't have to do anything. They're already like, ooh, these are pretty. So let's, ooh, I like that. I do know how to write calligraphy. I took a calligraphy class, like a whole semester of it. Do I really remember? Not a whole lot. I know that calligraphy and brush strokes are different. You actually need a calligraphy pen, but these are all the colors. I think it's a nice variety of colors. Like, I think like everything you might need. I think that this is a good starter pack. So I wanted to get these, see if I liked them, because they were at a lower price range, and thought I would play with these before I upgrade to bigger ones. But these are great for coloring on shiny surfaces, junk journaling and stuff like that. So where, like, you know, sometimes depending on the finish of the paper or sticker or whatever you're kind of writing on, or even paper, gel pens will wipe right off. These should not. Let's see. Dry down is pretty fast. I mean, and no bleed through. So I'm quite impressed with this purchase. Again, TikTok shop. I do have a Crafty TikTok, so if you didn't know that, you can head over there. You can find me at the Cheeky Bum over on TikTok, where I post. It's mainly Scrap Diva stuff that I've been working on. I need to post on there more often. It's just kind of, I don't post on there as much as I do YouTube or Instagram, but I'm trying, you know, I'm trying, but I do post a lot of Scrap Diva stuff over there. So if you want to see what I'm making, and if you want to see anything else, let me know. But I think that this is a good purchase. TikTok shop has not proved me wrong yet. I know some people tend to get scammed, but I've had fun with it. I do my purchases through PayPal, so I can dispute anything that may happen, may go awry, but I've been happy with all of my purchases so far. Granted, there's only been 2, but I'm happy with the 3D gel pens as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to link everything down below that I can. I don't know if I'll be able to link much, but if I can, I will link it. And if you have any questions, let me know. But if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.